Jade, you're an English cricketer. You're playing with the Cobras, at least practicing with the Cobras. Yeah, what brings you here?
Well, the lovely weather, and of course coming to Cape Town, it beats being stuck at home in the snow. So it's a nice build-up for me leading into the season, which starts in March. So 6 to 7 weeks out here bowling, especially these guys, it's been great for myself.
You do have South African roots. Just give us a bit about your background.
I was born in Johannesburg, and then lived in Durban until I was about 13 or 14, and then made the move over to the UK.
Okay. Now, obviously, it's very handy having you here. We'd love to get your thoughts on England's chances at the World Cup. Of course, kicks off very soon, and their pre-season seems to have gone all right.
Yeah, it has done. Unfortunate results a couple of days ago against Pakistan, but I think the nucleus that they've had now, the guys have been together for quite a while, and a good blend of youth and experience. With Jimmy coming back into that into the setup, his experience up top. Brody as well, getting fit again. There's a lot of exciting players coming in, and Ruti's in form and stuff. And obviously the balance at the top. It's been great to see some of the guys really betting like Mo and Ali and these guys. So hopefully it's going to be a good World Cup for them. Hopefully shake off, like I say, the loss a couple of days ago and get off to a good campaign. Especially it couldn't start any better at Melbourne. 100,000 people against Australia. There's no better way to start World Cup.
No, of course, yeah. I mean, we all know about the rivalry between Australia and England. Playing in Australia, there's a lot of history between the two sides. Even recent history, Ashes, etc. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure as fans and as players, there must be a real sort of motivation to put one over them.
Yeah, of course. I mean, there couldn't be a better setting to play a World Cup, and everybody knows it's going to be well supported. And like you say, with the rivalry that comes with that, having the opening game at the MCG, some of those young guys might never have experienced something like that. So it's going to be a great day for them, as long as they can harness that enthusiasm and everything and show what they can do. I think we've got a great chance at the World Cup.
Okay. England's Test cricket, I guess much like South Africa, completely different sort of ball game to the one-day side. Sure. How do you guys see this sort of transition into one-day cricket? How have you seen it personally in the England setup?
Well, I think it's working better now because there's more of a blend with the one-day team and the Test team. You're seeing more overlap between the players. I think if you start changing too much, I think it makes it hard for guys to just pop in and pop out. Which it's been seen over a number of countries that have faced those problems. But I think for us as a country now, I think we've really got that good blend of guys who are playing a lot of Test cricket and then transforming that form into the one-day arena as well.